Let's go there. Alright guys, mount your camera on a tripod using portrait. Now walk behind either a pole or a tree or anything, even a stick, understand? So when you are done with the first one, you can go back and change the clothes. Just change the clothes and you can wear another thing, and also come back, just walk behind that same tree or pole. Then you'll have to do these surprise gestures. Just do things like what you see me do here on screen. When you are done with that, you can now walk away and then save the video to your gallery. Let's get over to CapCut. Now on CapCut, click on new project, import the video you just recorded to CapCut. So from this point, I will tap on the layer, this video layer, then click on split. I'll delete the beginning because this is how I want the video to start. You get my point? So allow it to walk to the end of the screen, understand? So when you are recording, after walking to the end of the screen, you can still allow the empty space a little, the empty background a little to run. So before you get back to change to wear another cloth. So from here, I'll just split this particular point before the guy gets back, before the character comes back. Now tap and hold this layer, take it to the front, just switch the layers, just like what you see me do on screen. Just switch it. So you will have the one wearing red to be the beginning of the video, while the other one will be towards the ending part of it, you understand? So now from this, where the guy is walking in, from this point here, I want to split before he crosses the pool, before the one wearing red crosses the pool, understand? So I'll tap on this layer, then I'll delete the beginning of the video. So now this is how this one is starting, you understand? I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If you do not, just watch this video again and follow it step by step. I believe you will get it. So this is how the video is going to end. I'll just tap on the layer, delete this one. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on this layer here, this other one you split it. Go and look for overlay. Click on overlay. Now drag it to the beginning of the video. Just take it to the beginning of the video. You get my point? So guys, please like and share this video so YouTube will distribute it to many other people. You get my point? If you want me to mentor you on video editing, chat me up on WhatsApp, the number is in the description of this video. So now what you will do from here is to tap on this layer, go and look for mask, understand? I like to play a little so it will reveal the other character, so you'll be able to set the other character, but go and look for mask. So where is mask? Click on masks. Look at it here. Click on horizontal. You know, this pool I'm using is slanted. This demarcation is slanted, so I have to turn this line, understand, to get to align with this my demarcation. So guys, I noticed you've not subscribed and you've not liked this video. Please like this video, share, comment. If you have any issue, I'll be able to assist you 100%, understand? So if you, after doing all this and you notice that the guy on the red and blue, I'm using it so that you understand what I'm talking about. So if you see that the character on the red and blue is faster than the person behind, understand? So you don't have to worry about it. You only tap on the first layer like what you see here, adjust at the beginning, try and adjust a little. You adjust a little, so you adjust a little through the arrow you are seeing here on screen, understand, till when the leg aligns together, when they are moving the same time, when the leg is moving the same time. You know, we are almost getting it right now, so we need to do a little adjustment again so that the leg will be moving the same time. I think we've gotten it this way. So guys, after that, go to the ending part of the video. So you get my point? Now let's go. You can see that one layer is longer than the other layer, so we will have to adjust this one to align. Like, we need to have both of them aligned together. So you just drag this one, the first layer, just drag it, make sure you bring it to align, so when the video is ending, it will be ending well. So just make sure it aligns together. So when you are done with the alignment, guys, you are good to go. Nothing much again. you are good to go with this. You get my point? So that's how it is. So guys, if you are a beginner and wish to learn about video editing, or you want to become a teacher on YouTube teaching about video editing, chat me up. Understand? Let's strike a deal. You get my point? My number is in the description of this video. See you in our next video. Ha ha ha.